Welcome to Belfast Exposed Street View. Belfast Exposed is the leading photographic centre developing Northern Ireland's photographic infrastructure. We offer exhibitions, a photo bookstore, training courses, a community archive of 1 million images, and a darkroom. Additionally, Belfast Exposed works in community engagement and outreach through photography. We are excited to present Street View, exhibiting Looking Through Our Eyes as part of the Northern Ireland Mental Health Arts Festival. This year's festival runs from the 10th to the 16th of May with a program of varied and vivid arts events that aim to create a platform for high-quality artwork that deals compassionately and intelligently with mental health. The photography exhibition Looking Through Our Eyes represents work from a series of projects between Belfast Exposed and Brain Injury Matters to enable those with lived experience of brain injury and sometimes associated mental health issues to bring awareness to a wider audience, creating understanding and raised awareness of people who are living with a brain injury. Looking Through Our Eyes is a photographic exhibition exploring the theme of portraits by a group of individuals who have acquired brain injury. Each photograph creatively represents individuals, who they are now, their interests, passions, and aspirations, and the person they've become. Rebecca, a participant of the program, said, "I've really enjoyed this project. It was a great way to show myself in accurate photographs. I felt it really allowed me to express my true self and my brain-injured self through pictures. I discovered feelings, emotions, and characteristics can be expressed through still life photographs." Speaking of her son who participated in the program, Rosemary said he really enjoyed the opportunity to visit the past and the positive memories of his childhood. It helped him understand that his family is as important to him as he is to them. Christine said, "These workshops reminded me how much I liked photography, which I'd forgotten I had before my injury. I thought it was interesting and I learned something new," said Lisa, another participant. Participant Kieran said, "I enjoyed the photography class with Belfast Exposed because it reawakened my love of photography, which then spurred me to get out and about and photograph Mother Nature in all her glory. That helped me to produce 7 River Lagan walk books. Photography is my therapy." Belfast Exposed is a charity. If you would like to make a donation or inquire about sponsorship opportunities, please contact us at belfastexposed.org. Alternatively, you can make a direct donation at our website, www.belfastexposed.org.